Hello students, welcome to our study classes of Way of Success. Now students, today we are going to discuss about computer generally and great and burning full topic in whole human society. We are know what is the definition of computer, what is the main particularly information technologies in ITC, in what types of computer we are using in our whole society. There are so many types of computer in around us. And what is the definition of computer? In common way, the computer is an electronic machine. It is a fast calculating machine. It can perform different operations. It can store and organize information and do calculations. It is the fully combination of computer in reducing computer information technology. And in other visual combination of computer, what is the main capacity and particularly great invention topic in conditionally method? What is the definition of computer? There are so many types of question will be attempt and standing of all whole world. The computer can perform any kind of work involving arithmetic and logically operations and data. It can process the data and information given and give us the information as on output. It can form in computer whole definition. It can change. We are know the whole capacity of computer. In computer, there are so many types of devices. First is input device, second is output device, and third is processing device. In input device, the part of computer which are used to enter or feed data or informations into the computer are called input device. Some of the commonly used of input devices, in example, keyboard. In keyboard is usually input device. A keyboard is used to type numerical or textual data into the computer, or various totally called input device in stand ahead information technology. And in other field, the second input device is mouse. बच्चों ध्यान दीजिए आप लोग, गिव अटेंशन इन ऑल सोर्सेज. This is a second type of input device, that is in example mouse. A mouse is pointing device which is used to select any icon, text, textual file, and folders are stored in a computer. It is called, and in third is computer में, that is joystick. These are the part of computer. These are the internal and textual part of computer in joystick. A joystick is used to play video game on the computer. And fourth is web camera. In web camera, a web camera is used to record any type of video so that this video could be displayed on the computer. It is used to send a live video or the internet. It is the main textual and recorder display unit of computer in input device of web camera. Fifth is most important topic, microphone. What is the main quality of microphone? Can you or no? No. If you are no students, please give attention. What is a microphone? A microphone is a record to any display units of computer in icon and textual videography. It is called microphone. And at last, sixth is scanner. In a scanner is used to copy pictures and documents so that they can be stored in a computer. It is almost quality of scanner. स्कैनर का यूज किसी भी डेटा फोल्डर को स्कैन करने के लिए किया जाता है, और जो स्कैन पार्टिकुलरली किया जाता है वो हमारा इनपुट डिवाइस के थ्रू आता है. एंड दिस इज द इरेजुअल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. And second topic is output device. Output device. In output device, the output device are used to display the produce any output method of in computer. It is refused in social and of output in message, that is called output device. And in output device there are so many types of systems in computer. First is monitor. And second is speaker. Monitor and speaker, and third is printer. What is the definition of monitor? Monitor, also called the visual display unit. What is the meaning of visual display unit? Visual display units means to screen in a whole screen type of particularly changing of screen in the screen. On the screen, the looks like television that show text and pictures is called output device in monitor. And second is printer. It is used to printing sheets on computer. It is called printer. And at last, speaker. Speaker is reducing to change the pages in speakerizes motion to start one word to another word. It is called speaker in output device. In a computer, the third topic is processing device. In processing device, the CPU, central processing unit, is comes to define one word to another word is to connecting the computer, particularly images to perform and connect to mouse in another sufficient mode that is called monitor, CPU and mouse. And in a CPU the processing device will be totally processed. And what is the particularly influencing quality of CPU? I will provided you in some method and some totally qualities of CPU in ALU, MU and CU. These are the three types of memory will be coming in computer CPU. What is the quality of ALU? ALU means arithmetic logical units and CU means central unit and MU means machinery unit. In processing unit, the CPU, central processing unit box, is the processing unit of a computer when all types of calculation are done by getting the desired output in present inside the CPU box. That is called processing device in whole assembly point of view of computer. That is called processing device. It is a fully type of memory. And बात करें हम मेमोरी की, तो there are some types of memory will be coming in CPU. That is called memory. In memory, ALU, MU and CU, three types of memories will be reducing and coming. And in memory, there are so many types of chips will be coming. In a RAM and ROM, there are two types of memory will be spending in memory of computer. RAM means random access memory and ROM means read only memory. There are two types of memory will be coming in computer. And if we are do some other types of asked questions in computer, coming any students will be asked me, sir 1 MB in 1 MB में 1024 GB will be coming. That make 1 MB. 1024 KB will make 1 MB. कहने का मतलब है कि 1 MB 1024 KB मिल करके 1 MB का निर्माण करते हैं और 1024 MB मिल करके 1 GB का निर्माण करते हैं. I am saying you 1024 MB will make 1 GB and 1024 GB will make 1 TB terabyte, and in fourth number 1024 TB will make 1 PT petabyte. This is the particularly information of computer in long side, and in last period I will give you some suggestions of my students in 5 tips. First is the information and basic knowledge of computer information. I will provided you. It is the first topic. And second is what is the introduction of computer. It is the second topic and second tips. And in third tips, what is the basic uses of computer and what types of devices will be coming in computer. This is the third tips. And fourth tips is what is the uses of computer in our whole society. It is fourth tips. And fifth tips is that what types of memory will be coming in computer. That is fifth tips. And at last I am give suggestions in my students that students, if you are not support my channel, यदि दोस्तों तथा स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आप लोगों ने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा तथा लाइक और बेल आइकन बटन को जरूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, जिससे हमारी वीडियो आप सभी लोगों तक पहले और पहले पहुंचती रहे। आज के इस वीडियो में इतना है स्टूडेंट्स। अब आने वाले वीडियो में हम अपने कुछ और अच्छे अनुभवों को आप सभी लोगों के साथ शेयर करेंगे और आप सभी लोग हमारे वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू, दैट्स ऑल स्टूडेंट्स।